When the time comes to replace your filter, Blueair lets you know by simply lighting up the LED filter icon. Get your new HEPA Silent Plus filters by placing orders online, at partner retailers, or via the Blueair Friend app. The HEPA Silent Plus filters come in packs of 2 and are 100% recyclable. When receiving your new filters, unplug the unit, place your Blueair Sense Plus on its side, open the cassettes, disengage your old filters, and remove the activated carbon sheet. Replace the new filters in each cassette and fit the carbon sheets by pressing them under the tabs. Re-engage the cassettes and your device is ready for action.
To reset the filter timer on your Sense Plus, simply place your finger over the top of the filter reset button on the display and hold down for 10 seconds. The filter reset button will flash before resetting the indicator. If your Sense Plus is connected to the Blueair Friend app, you will receive a push notification informing you that your filter timer has been reset. You will also see that the timer has reset in your device information screen.
Blueair, clean air for everyone.